Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys my jewelry collection. I have divided them in different parts. So today I'm going to go through my bracelets and handcuffs. I'm going to start, I'm going to show you guys, I store all my bracelets and my handcuffs in these boxes. These are from Miniso. It was for 10 bucks each, 10 dirhams each. And I'm going to show you guys all the things one by one. Starting with this bracelet, it says strong is new, pretty. It's a very pretty pink, it's a pink rubber band. This was from Charming Charlie. Next thing I have is this. I like these studded bands. This one was from IAM Accessories, and I have a similar one in blue. Now these are two pieces. I like wearing two pieces, but I couldn't manage to get the red one as another piece in red one, which is okay. I do have one in this pretty brown color, and this one as well. This was a choker, but I use it as a band for my hands. I wrap it around my hand. This is another suede bracelet from Charming Charlie with these pretty golden studs. So these are all my handbands. I'm going to go through my handcuffs. So these are some hair clips that I have, floral hair clips. Keep this apart. So I've shown most of the jewelry in my jewelry haul videos. This is one of them. I guess I've shown this one as well, which is one of my favorites as well. This is another pretty piece that I have. Then this one, and these are all separate beaded ones, separate beaded bracelets. I do have a lot of gold jewelry. I do like gold jewelry, and this piece is a very different one. I do have this gold bracelet, and finally I do have these gold bangles. So this is it for today. I will be posting videos for my neck pieces, finger rings, earrings. I will be posting them next. In case if you all do like, if you all guys do like my videos, do give it a thumbs up, do share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.